Hello everyone, welcome to How to Make a PTE Payment 101 with David Haas. First, we're going to go to the website, which is linked in our newsletter we sent you, but this is California's MyFTB payment site. We're going to go to bank account first if we're going to pay by bank account, which is what we recommend. Here, we're going to go to WebPay for business, since this is a business entity tax payment. Here, you're going to select your entity type. We're going to do the example as a corporation, but if you're a partnership or an LLC, you would do it the other way. Next, we're going to enter your entity ID. This number is your California entity ID. It can be found at the top of your California tax return or on the voucher we sent you if we sent you a voucher for the PTE. Here, you'll put your name. Here, you're going to select your tax form. So for corporations, RS corporations, it'll be a 100S is what we're talking about. If you are paying for a partnership, it will be a different number. Here is the important part. Instead of doing an estimated tax payment, which is what we have you do for the estimates, this is a pass-through entity elective tax payment, the $38.93, which matches the voucher we sent you. Here you're going to select the year. It's currently 2023, so we'll just do 2023. How it's already 2023 is crazy to me, but that's a different story. Now here is a giant caveat. We have sent you amounts you need to pay. The rule is you have to pay 50% of what last year's PTE amount was for you. Now that's different for everybody. If you did not have to make one last year, the minimum is $1,000. So please go back, and if you don't have the amount from us, ask us, look at your corporate tax return or partnership tax return we sent you, look for the amount we told you to pay. If you don't have an amount, you can let us know. We will get back to you. Select the payment date. Obviously, it needs to be sooner rather than later. The due date is 10/16. I would much rather prefer you guys, if you're going to wait till the end, only wait till the very first couple days of October. Here you'll enter your bank information. I'm not going to do that on video as much as I'd love to share with you guys. And then this is pretty much the last step. From here, you should be able to just hit submit and be done with it. Once you get a receipt, email that receipt to us as soon as you can, so we have record of it. And that's it for the tutorial. It's a joy to spend time with you all.